What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you all why I got the ZL1 as opposed to the 1LE. Now, whichever one you want, there's no wrong answer to this. Let me just say that. There's nothing wrong with the 1LE, nothing wrong with the ZL1. They're just different cars, and I'm about to briefly go over that, why I got the ZL1. So stay tuned to that. Shout out to Blueprint. Go subscribe to this channel if you have not, for providing his car for this video. So we'll be doing a couple of collabs, so go check out his channel. There'll be more to come on that. Before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. So shout out to me, got the Hoochie Daddy shorts on, and me and this guy, we got similar style. Blueprint is we always dressing alike, man. I swear it's not planned, but this guy got on the, what color is that, like hot pink, man? We out here.
Hot pink, man, you know, bumbleclad Jamaican vibes right now.
Yeah. It's funny because he got that hat in Jamaica, and I got my shorts to go to Jamaica. Like, what are the odds of that? But let's jump into the video. So why I got the ZL1. So the first thing, how I jump in and out of cars, I ruined it for myself. So one of the cars that I got, it kind of ruined it for the future for me. And that car was my 2016 Hellcat. So with that car, got a lot of character. Mine was fully loaded, had the aluminum hood, the brass monkey wheels. What else did it have? Sunroof. And now I gotta have a sunroof on the car after that. And also, one of the best things about the Hellcat, the supercharger one, I had to get one with the supercharger, so that was a big factor. So shout out to the Mopar family. That led me to get a ZL1. Reason number two I got a ZL1, I honestly prefer the front end of the pre-refreshed Camaros as opposed to the new ones. I actually like this too, and I like the black accents a lot more than the lack of those that I have on mine. But the front end, I just like the pre-refresh. Same with the Mustang too. So looking at the front end, it's just got this mean look to it. Like this, the first time I saw a ZL1 in the 6th gen spec, it was a burgundy one. I'll show a picture of that, but I just fell in love instantly. And it was out of my reach at that time. Actually, I was working right over there when I saw that car. That's the GM Tech Center. So that's the previous video. I was at the Renson. This is where they do all their technical engineering. Actually, it's the building behind that now. They moved everybody. But yeah, I saw one of those over there. Fell in love instantly. I knew one day I had to have one. And it's just these lights too. Like, I love the lights up here. The LEDs. I love those. And it wouldn't turn on, so whatever. But I love those. As opposed to the 2019 Plus. I gotta throw it out there. I hated the 2019 Camaros because I was going to get an SS1LE of 2019 in white, but with this being black, I do not like that. It's fine on dark colors, but I was looking at ways to modify that. And it was another guy's channel I follow, Jorge or George something. He actually changed his channel's name. Now he's getting the CX, so forget him. So that was one thing, but I do like this, but I just prefer the looks of the ZL1 a tad bit more. This is good though, and I still like this more than the LT1, but the ZL1 is the one for me, no pun intended. The third reason I got the ZL1 over the 1LE is another point, like my Hellcat, I got addicted to the speed and just how fast it was, even though I might not utilize it like that all the time, but I just wanted the speed without having to modify my car. Now I'm pretty sure very soon his car will be able to beat my car, and I already said I'm waiting on these SS's to get to my speed before I would even think about doing a modification, and I think that will happen. But I just like the stock speed in the ZL1. It's more than enough for me. Like, I don't even tap into it like that as much as I should or could, because it's This car is very, very fast. Trust and believe. Stock, it has everything. Like, you can see the simple modifications that I have done, and most of them are aesthetics. Like, I got the MRT exhaust. Also, you can use the code Q10 and get 10% off on that, but it's for the sound. I didn't do that for performance. I got the cold air intake for the sound of the supercharger, and I got the wing for the looks, and it helps on the track too. So that's kind of for performance, but I'm thinking about the looks first. The reason number 4 that I got the ZL1 over the SS1LE, I don't know if you all can remember, but maybe 4 months ago I had another car, and that car was very similar to the SS1LE. It revved a little bit higher. The GT350 and the SS1LE are so similar to me. I feel like they're lateral movements. Shout out to my subscriber, Mustang GT350. No Shelby curse, please. But I feel like the SS1LE and the GT350 are both very similar. It's a lateral movement, even though I got to put out the disclaimer there. It's the engine that revs really high and all that. But what they do is very lateral, and I actually like the features more of the SS1LE over the Mustang. Like, it's more modern on the interior. And the 5th and final reason that I got the ZL1 over the SS1LE is because I had a 2020 SS1LE, and that car was 95% everything what I wanted, but I bought that car wrong. For what I love and enjoy, I should have got a sunroof, which is now available, and the 2SS package, just because mine is a daily driver. Blueprints is a track car. His main focus is track. I'm a daily driver, so I got to keep those things in mind. Like, I love music, and I got to have the creature comforts. Heated steering wheel, because I drive in the wintertime in these cars too, so I get all that. It just comes with the ZL1. And once you get to the 2SS 1LE prices, they're not that close, but they're closer. It's like between 50, what is that? Like 50 to 55,000 versus like 63 for a base ZL1. So it becomes harder to do that. Shout out to Hot 1LE for being about to take delivery of his 2SS 1LE. So looking forward to seeing that on your channel. So that's the reasons why I personally got the ZL1 over the SS1LE. And I'm pretty sure Blueprint will tell you the inverse of that, so be on the lookout for his channel. So it was just personal for me. I wanted the speed, everything I just said in the video, so that's why I got the ZL1. It's a dream car of mine. Like, I love everything about the ZL1. It's my favorite muscle car, the favorite looking muscle car, favorite handling. Like, it does everything it does I like. Let me know what you think. Which would you do? Would you save? So these two, the price difference is, these are like 45, 47 versus mine was like 67. So with the 20 grand, like, that's a lot of coin to save, like, versus these two. So there's definitely some reasons to go the other way, but that's just what I wanted. So let me know what you think. Which one would you get? ZL1, SS1LE? Let me know down in the comments below. That being said, I'm Q. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace out. So at this Cadillac dealership, they got a CT4 black wing and a CT5V black wing. Have no idea what transmission.